Hello everyone, welcome back to another video with K Solutions. In this video, we'll be solving a prime factorization problem for the number 36. To complete a prime factorization table means to find the prime numbers of that number. So you'll start with your original number, which in this case is number 36, and you'll try to find the prime numbers that make up the number 36. And if you remember from our last video, a prime number is any number that cannot be divided by anything else except for that number itself and the number 1. So for an example, the number 4 is not a prime number because it can be divided by 2. But the number 7 is a prime number because 7 cannot be divided by any other number except for 1 and itself, the number 7. So in this case, the number 36 is not a prime number. And you can break this out however you want, whatever easy multiplication that you know. So for me, I know off the top of my head, 6 times 6 is 36. Maybe you know some other numbers that can help you get to the number 36, and feel free to write those numbers in because it's only going to help us break down our table even more to find the prime factorization. So I did 6 times 6 because that gives me 36. But those two sixes are not prime numbers, and so I need to break those down even more. So I'm going to create more branches on my tree, and I know off the top of my head, 3 times 2 is 6. So I'm going to write that on both of my sixes, 3 and 2, 3 and 2. And it doesn't matter if you wanted to write the 2 first or the 3 first, just long as both numbers from your branches make up the big number. So in this case, both numbers, 3 and 2, if I multiply those together, I get the number 6. So now I have 3 and 2 and 3 and 2. And all of those numbers are prime numbers. I cannot divide anything else into 3 to get another number. So 3 is a prime number and 2 is also a prime number. So here I've got my prime factorization for the number 36. I've gotten 3, 2, 3, 2. And you can also write it out in different ways. You can write it out 3 times 2 times 3 times 2. And if you are actually going to do the multiplication on it, you get a fun trick. You'll notice that 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 is actually equal to 36. So that's how you know if you found the correct prime factorization. When you get to the end of your branches with all of your prime numbers, you should be able to multiply all of those numbers together, and it should give you your original number, which it did in this case. It gave me back the number 36. I hope that helps.